Hello. Thank you for your interest in engineering technology at Westmoreland County Community College. My name is Frank Stasa. I head up the engineering technology program here, and this program offers an AAS degree, an Associate of Applied Science. It's a 2-year degree that will enable you to get a job right after graduating, and this program is also excellent for preparing you to go into a 4-year program for which you might not feel prepared right now, but this program can help you to be prepared and be successful in a 4-year degree. I like to refer to this program as STEM on steroids because it offers all of the 4 tenets of STEM, the science, technology, engineering, and math, of course with a focus on engineering. The general education component is necessary in order to award the degree. I have a PhD and Master of Science degree in mechanical engineering and a BS degree in mechanical. Those are from CMU and Pitt. I'm a licensed professional engineer. I'm a published author and a life member of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. I have engineering experience over a decade at Westinghouse Electric Corporation here in Pittsburgh and also at Harris Corporation in Melbourne, Florida. At Westinghouse, I analyzed accidents on nuclear power plants, and at Harris, I did thermal analysis on large space deployable antennas. I've done engineering and manufacturing consulting as well. Currently, I teach here at Westmoreland. Prior to this, I did teach at Florida Institute of Technology in the mechanical engineering program there, where I was an associate professor. And I also did some adjunct teaching at a couple of our local schools here in the area. The engineering technology program is unique in that it really fires on all cylinders when it comes to STEM. It covers mathematics, as you can see with these courses here. In a 4-year program, you would take a lot more calculus and analytic geometry and differential equations and the like. But with this 2-year program, you just need to do the first course in calculus in addition to the preparatory math classes. Technology is covered with AutoCAD and Autodesk Inventor, which is a phenomenal 3D solid modeling tool. I also introduce the students to programming throughout the curriculum, and especially an Intro to Engineering, which I'll comment on now in the engineering block here, which is the most important and central to the whole program, of course. This program is very well integrated with the other courses. It's very applied. It's not theoretical. The mathematics that you will use is very applied mathematics. Again, not theoretical. It's very practical in that it covers various aspects of engineering. In Intro to Engineering, we cover topics that just an introduction to certain topics like heat transfer and fluid mechanics. Then in the rest of the program, we get into much more detail with it. There's a technical drafting component. We study the various manufacturing processes that engineers have to be familiar with, and indeed, some of them actually help design. Engineering materials are at the heart of any engineering project. Descriptive geometry is very important. It helps you to understand orthographic projection very well. Quality control, many of my students end up in that area of the applied side of engineering. And statics and strength of materials, where you study forces and whether or not a structure will be safe and reliable and not fail. Kinematics of mechanisms is an interesting topic where you'll get to study motion of machinery and that type of thing. These courses are all based solidly on College Physics 1 and 2, the foundation of engineering. The general ed courses will include a first-year seminar, 2 English courses, and a social science elective of your choice. When you get a job, when you finish this program, you could easily be employed as an engineering aide or a technician, an assistant to an engineer. And as I said, this is an excellent course for a student who may not have the confidence to go to a 4-year school. But this program here will definitely help you build that confidence and give you the skills you need to succeed. If you would like further information, please reach out to me. My email address is listed here along with my cell phone number. I'm not on campus much these days because of COVID, so please feel free to use my cell phone. That's 412-535-3575. And if you like with more information and would like to discuss further options, please give me a call. We could schedule a Zoom session and we can answer all of your questions. I wish you very well on your career, your educational endeavor, whichever way you choose to go. And thank you for listening to the video.